Philip Clark is charged with killing his sister-in-law. He appeared in court on a murder charge in Bangor today. State police arrested Clark at his home on Kennebec Road in Hamden over the weekend. In the affidavit, state police say that Philip Clark told them Renee Clark's body was in her apartment. In February, documents showed that Renee Clark warned authorities that Philip was dangerous and asked for a protection from abuse order, but a judge denied it. In her protection from abuse request, Renee detailed drunken threats of abuse and murder by Philip Clark, leading many to question why her request was denied.
In his denial, the judge wrote that the statute for protection orders does not apply to a spouse's sibling, in this case, Philip Clark. So Christina Rex is here to break down what that means. Christina?
Yeah, Lee and Lindsay, we actually looked into that exact statute, and the statute for protection from abuse order in Maine applies to family or household members. That includes spouses, former spouses, parents of the same child, or people living in the same household. Since Philip Clark lived in the same building, but technically a different household from Renee, the judge denied her request for protection. Now, in the wake of deaths like Renee Clark's, we tend to look at what we as a society could have done to prevent a crime. Would a protection from abuse order have stopped this alleged murder?
As far as I can see, it didn't do anything at all.
Sandy Goulet of Casco had a protection from abuse order against her ex-boyfriend, Norman Strobel.
Things were escalating. He was out of control.
She says the court order made no difference and didn't stop Strobel from going on a drunken rampage, trying to find Sandy until he was shot and killed by police in November 2016. Before Strobel could find her, he shot and injured her daughter's fiance and shot and killed his own roommate.
I just worry about them every day. I wake up and that's all I think about. You know, nothing's back to normal.
In the year and a half since that shooting that changed Sandy's life, she's become an advocate, testifying in Augusta on behalf of domestic violence victims. Her message: court orders aren't enough.
The abuser, if they've got a will, they'll find a way.
More than 6,000 Mainers requested protection orders in 2012. It's a tactic that domestic violence experts say is a valuable step to recognizing and preventing abuse.
When the protection from abuse order statute was being contemplated and designed, it was in direct response to victims of abuse saying, listen, I don't really want to have the police arrest my partner. I just want my partner to stop abusing me.
Sandy Goulet says when abusers go too far, that court order is useless. She's not sure of the solution. Ankle bracelets, maybe, or more action by police when protection orders are in place.
Not waiting till the night of the shooting, after the shooting took place, and then pinging his phone. I constantly was looking over my shoulder all the time when he wasn't in jail.
So obviously every situation in this case is totally different, and Sandy even admits, she can't speak for every survivor of domestic abuse, but she says she does want to see more action taken with these protection orders.
Well, it's scary because you feel like if you go to the courthouse and you get a protection order, that's supposed to protect you.
Make you safe.
Right. But there are obviously, as we've seen so many times, just a lot of loopholes and ways around it if somebody really has bad intentions.
And some may say it's just a piece of paper.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, Christina, thank you very much.